Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Sugary cough drops feed the bacteria in your mouth that cause cavities by producing acids that erode tooth enamel. Using them often without brushing increases decay risk. To protect your smile, choose sugar-free drops and brush regularly after use. A small relief shouldn't damage your teeth.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.